my god.
Oh, whoa. That
Hello.
was creepy.
Welcome back to our channel. We're going to react to
CLC finally! Yay!
Helicopter.
We're so excited to watch this because it's been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I love CLC.
Same.
Why are they not?
Do you have a
big?
bias?
Go. Sorn. And Sungjoon.
Yeah.
Is that
Songjun?
Songjun?
Sorry, the leader.
Yeah.
The WAP.
Yeah.
WAP.
And I'm
But,
Sorn in the. I'm Sorn.
Yeah.
I love Sorn on TikTok, so if you haven't been following her, go do
Follow
it.
her, girl.
Also, Yeon's Barbie.
Yeah.
Love it. Love you, girl.
Bobby.
Yes. Okay. Let's just. I'm so excited. I just can't
do
hide
it.
it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Won't be lonely at the top. Who's that?
Oh my God, Slay.
Oh, helicopter. Oh my god.
Oh. Oh, outfits. Girl crush. That's for them.
Her eye is like drag me in. Oh my god.
Oh, she looks like a Barbie. She's in the song.
Oh my god. The clothes.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, yes, climb on him. Oh, Slay. Oh my god,
my
her
God.
hair. I'm afraid I'm gonna spit this out.
Oh my god.
Oh, sweet. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I'm shivering. Oh, goosebumps. Hey!
Is that masked sister?
Storm. Oh my god. I've seen her outfit. That's a legit queen.
Oh my god.
Body roll instead. Oh my god. The beard.
Is that Matt's systems or what the?
No,
Oh no, that's like
Solar
air.
Sisters.
Oh, I'm dumb.
Oh, she's out of this world. You get it?
If you don't
I
have a
almost
crush on
drew.
her, what the fuck are you doing?
I almost drew that outfit. Look at her hair. Oh my god, a sheet? Oh my god. I'm looking somewhere. How does one look like that? Wow!
Oh my god, I love it. Yeah, same.
I love her.
You heard that in the
Yeah.
background?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I love CLC.
Oh, girl.
Swords like wet hair.
Oh. Oh, flexible like that.
Yeah.
I would break my back.
The vocals. Blonde hair, girls. I'm telling you.
Oh.
And
You're getting scanned or what the fuck?
helicopter.
Oh, the high note.
Damn.
Yes, Sworn.
Center.
Sworn. Wow.
The vocals.
Goosebumps.
Damn.
Yes.
doesn't matter.
Shush.
The journey never ends.
Oh my god. The journey never ends.
Yes,
You
girls.
didn't. Yes. No.
Woo!
Okay, so.
Yeah, I love CLC.
What?
Coochie! Shut up! I love CLC. I wish they were more recognized because like they deserve that. I don't know what people are doing. Like
They're sleeping.
there's so many groups that are so underrated that like what? Yeah, I'm getting
like
mad.
how
So please,
are they? I'm getting pissed. Like not even mad. I'm getting. Who am I trying to kill?
but you also have anger problems. So
Shh, don't express that.
oh my god.
No, I love CLC and I do not get why people or not people like why are they not bigger than they are? Like why? Why? Like why? You know, you get it? Why they're so talented and they're so cool people. Why are they not bigger? It's my question. And like, if you do not know them, or if you do not listen to them, or if you do not give a who are you? Like, I'm just gonna say I love them, and you should do too. What you should love them too. Watch them, stand them, sleep on beds, not on CLC. Yeah, loved it. Love this song. It's going on my playlist.
And they're such a girl crush group. Like,
Oh yeah, I'm like.
when me and Nita first started doing reactions, I said that girl groups wasn't really my cup of tea. But like, what I meant with that is that concept
Not
like
right.
this really gets a home run for me because I like this. I don't really like the girly stuff. Well, yeah, and that's just my opinion. I don't really get attracted to music like that. So I really like girl crush groups.
Yeah. Thank you for watching this reaction.
Yeah, thank you
we'll
so
see
much.
you in the next
Video.
one.
Bye
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Adios.
Hi, Sorn.
Hi,
Hi, Sorn.
Sorn.
Hi, Sorn.